Hello, thank you for visiting our site. My name is Nick Hartnett, and this video is going to be on the ROI for a typical solar system in this area based off of the weather patterns that we have around here. And by ROI, I mean the return on investment, and that is how long is the system going to take to pay for itself. It does depend on the install and the site. We have to build in any shade that could make that ROI a little bit longer. And it's also going to depend on the direction the panels are facing, as well as the slope of the roof, which, it could be a little bit steeper, it could be a little bit more flat. So there's a lot of different factors that go into the ROI, but typically, I'm gonna see a ROI between 8 to 10 years. If I can get southern exposure with, no shade, it's gonna pay itself off fairly quick. Typically around 8 years, we can get an ROI. Now, if we're putting them on east and west sides of the roof and maybe there's a little bit of shade, maybe there's some extra cost for a specific install. Typically 10 years is fairly high, and if the ROI gets into 11 years, there's probably some special circumstances with that install that we're having to take into account. So everything we install has 25-year warranties, and these systems are going to pay themselves off between 8 to 11 years depending on your home and depending on your site specifically. So I am happy to have our team put together a proposal for you so you could see where your return would fall in that range. It's very easy for us to do so, and you can call me directly or email me, or you can fill out one of our customer contact forms on the website. Thanks for watching.